Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply your false lashes the most easiest, quickest way possible. So make sure you guys stay tuned. So the lashes I'm using today are actually from my brand, ELSW the brand, and they are in my most natural lash style, and I'll go ahead and link the website in the description box. So before getting started, I highly recommend that you cut down the lash band to fit your lash line perfectly. You don't want it to be too long or too short. So for lash glue, I'm going to go ahead and use Kiss's Super Stronghold Lash Glue. And I'm just going to apply that directly to my lash line. As you can see, I am going to try to get it as close as possible. And I am just creating a very thin line. Please allow the glue to become tacky so that the lashes will be more likely to stick. So right here, I am just applying my lashes with my fingers, super easy. And the first place I like to place it is in the middle. It just gives me like a kind of like a roadmap to what's next. And then I always hit the back corners and then I hit the front. So that's just something I always do. You don't need any tweezers. I would just highly recommend a steady hand, and then just go ahead and just manipulate the lash so that it fits your eyes, whether it's, you don't want the lash hanging down or you don't want it facing straight up. You want it to just flare out natural and pretty. As you can see here, I'm just taking my mascara from Maybelline, and I'm just going to apply that so that it can help my natural lashes blend a little bit more. And I don't do this every single time, but say if I have concealer or any eyeshadow on my natural lashes, I'll just go ahead and apply some mascara. And this is the completed look, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.